with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we post video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel, na tori now they talk and na pidgin English will tell the knack our tori for here. We're not just here to talk, but if you share this video together, I believe we're gonna save someone today. My people, today's story now 2 videos or 2 talk. Now we'll get to talk for here today. The first one man come out to this man, whether na pastor or na prophet na he be. He say Pastor Adeboye use the pikin for sacrifice. Not be me talking or before the church member will come for me again. Not be me talking. This one the video day when it a talking. And since when TB Joshua died, they say angels see they roam around the synagogue church, that they even capture one angel when we say just they fly around. And I will see the video. But before we go down to these 2 videos, I just want to shook my put for the last video when I do about Pastor Adeboye, when I talk say send condolence to Prophet TB Joshua when he died, send condolence to the family. Because after I make that video, many people they begin they talk say where the video where Adeboye for talking, they not see the video. I just talking for there. My title different from the video. Hello, I don't know the way some people take the reason. Sure, don't be some people. We Nigeria, I put myself because all of us will be the same. I don't know the way we take the reason. Something happened to a big pastor when we say everybody know because our Papa Adeboye no fit us say he no know Prophet TB Joshua. He not send condolence to him. Now I make video say why he refuse to send condolence because of say Prophet TB Joshua member of that time when invest come up for the church. They come to us say Prophet TB Joshua carry Papa Adeboye picture. They use her, they do caricature for Marty. They step on her, they cut her, they do this, they do incarnate. So because of that one, that make the verse for Prophet TB Joshua. You understand? Now waiting me talk. And really, now waiting they have, even for the comments, they still prove them. I go call read the comments for people who never understand. I can say if not because of that one, now make Papa Adeboye the verse. It's not supposed to verse for that one because if person come up for person house, husband and wife quarrel, something happen between 2 friends. If the other one come out, it will never say good about the other one. If they even answer anything about his second, he go want to put maggi, put salt, so that it go sweet well. I can say what if they talk. I don't know that na truth or not be truth. I know they there, but they're not supposed to hold that one for hand against Prophet TB Joshua because they not see a koro for their eye. Now here they hear full people don't see come up for their church. We still condemn them. You understand? Now what me talk. And then they say get the video where Papa Adeboye for talking. You guys will not expect Papa Adeboye to come out and say, I will not send condolence to Prophet TB Joshua. The handwriting is already in the wall. You guys supposed to see him. Say that handwriting, it already there. Why no one say condolence to him? He said condolence, so he not say condolence, so which one concern me for inside? He said condolence, he not me say they not go bury TB Joshua. He said condolence, TB Joshua will raise again, come back to life. No. We just the same who stand for truth. Like me, I always stand for truth. So even come to say now because of you, say Prophet TB Joshua, I want get view from and that make me the supporter. But Pa Adeboye not be any happy person. That was see they carry view, eh? If you see talk about that one, you will get view. I stand for the truth because sometimes people they make mistake. Pa Adeboye, if you make mistake, you will not know. Pa Adeboye, if you make mistake because now blood they use now human be not perfect. Elders they make mistake, king they make mistake, chief they make mistake, everybody, all of us, we they make mistake. And sometimes mistake won't they make, we feel say na the right thing we they do, we they right. But now later, we be say we know if we turn back the hands of the clock before we can realize say, this action we will take, it did too much, at least we for send condolence. Because condolence now once, now they send that it's once in a lifetime. Now that moment when that person take that, they say they send condolence. Once they don't do the burial finish, no need to send condolence again. Just like when somebody born, pikin, now you send your congrats to the person. You tell the person, congratulations. Not be when the pikin don dey waka before you come dey send congrats. So now once in a lifetime they do all these things. Abi now when somebody don't die before you talk say you forgive that person. Now when the person dey alive, now you fit tell the person say I forgive you. Once that person don't die, you cannot tell the person say I forgive you again. So that's why we dey do all these things. These 3 things now once in a lifetime. Now once they do it, they know they do it 2 times. That's why if you get the opportunity to do it, you just do it. Because so many people don't hold grudges for their hearts. Wey be say that they even they regret now. Say like say they know they for forgive. Like say they know they for send condolence. Like say they know they for send congratulation message to that person. You understand? So we all dey here to make things dey okay. We not dey here say we want support one or we no want support one. Now the truth, now they talk. But I thank God for Prophet TB Joshua life that before he died, he sent condolence to Pa Adeboye when he lost a beloved son. He don't do God, don't come out. Now, not be we go judge him. Whether he dey go heaven or he not they go heaven. Now, don't why he concern you and God. But we wait there on heads here. We need to look into our whole life too. How we dey live our life. Now, don't be the important thing we dey for inside. Because the way they take attack me, even say for the comment, somebody even they talk say, now what for some people? They say now Prophet TB Joshua, now by Pa Adeboye's son when he die, that he don't say, may I read the comment, may I just read only that comment, the comment many sha, but may I just read that one for inside. He said Prophet TB Joshua tried many times to use that the GO life to replace his own life, but God can save that the GO from his hand. Then some come to say na a pikin na he come free cash. That the pikin don't call TB Joshua because na he kill am. Now what for this life for people? The way some people say they reason something, I don't understand though. You understand? So what is their member? If me they talk and now they'll say Lady T, why you they talk am? All these comment when they see so now they can't put the comment or use another account go to they drop comment for there. We will be the social media people. We they know when person drop comment when be say the person na waka pass. We they know when presenter drop comment. We they know when those big person when they talk about drop comments. Now they can't drop all these comments. When they see so say na TB Joshua na buy their son na make they not send condolence. I don't know how they tell you that one. You understand? Okay, if now TB Joshua na buy their son, why you can't be say this man one and one watch now? Why you can't see come out? Can't they talk say now Pa Adeboye use the pikin for sacrifice to replace in your life that he life does save for this year? That all of them they use their wife and their boy for sacrifice. Okay, if they say now Prophet TB Joshua na buy their pikin, but this pastor now they all these prophets. If they can't talk another thing, who can't buy TB Joshua? What
the Lord revealed, he will perform it. Even it will be narrowly. Adeboye too will miss death this year because he has settled. He has settled. Even the Kumu too has settled.
How do you mean that?
Yeah, they've used their wife, they used their son. But don't worry. We are not bothered about all these things. Let God, if God is God, let him pass through there. We are not rejoicing all over them. But their trouble, their havoc in the city is too much. Oh, many pastors too are going to die. God never knows them as pastor, and God never knows them as what? As a prophet.
I don't listen to this man when talk. Not be me talking before now come say, hey, Lady T, why you talk like this? Una hear from my mouth. Say now he talk and say he use the pikin for sacrifice. Una hear him. Why some say na Prophet TB Joshua na kill the pikin call am back. When Christianity go be one, when we will start to the reason as they say we be one. When we say we'll come out all this thinking of this, thinking of that. Me, I know, I see they talk, I no put water for my talking. Adeboye they vex for TB Joshua because of what TB Solar talk. Say Prophet TB Joshua carry their picture, they do something. Now what made them they vex for TB Joshua? But TB Joshua member, it still they make me they understand say after the burial they go release video when TB say Bisola Conte beg TB Joshua and talk why he lie. Me they wait for that video. They say after the burial they go release the video. They just want me they do burial finish because now that video I no put water. I see they repeat am. Now wetin Bisola talk na Pa Adeboye dey vex for, but this thing wetin dem no catch am red-handed. If I talk say person wan use person picture take do that kind thing, e go come do in presence of members, e go come do am for public place. I don't know that you guys dey understand me. Not that I'm supporting Prophet TB Joshua, but I'm standing for the truth. Everything wey Bisola talk, but this one wey talk about Pa Adeboye say Prophet TB Joshua dey use the picture, dey do something, I no kind of dey okay with that. Everybody get right to his their own opinion. Na my opinion now dey talk here, so I no kind of dey okay with that, because e no fit do such thing for public place. You understand? If you say na only both of them dey there, I go dey understand. No be say I dey force am. Who be me wey go force Pa Adeboye to come send condolence? He send condolence, so he no send condolence, so which one concern me for inside? He no concern me. But once there is life, there is hope. There is still time before they bury am. Because as a big pastor, wey all of them be, e no good maybe say we the members or we the small Christian wey dey follow up dey come, we go come dey see all these grudges. E no go make us get mind to be in union in Christianity, because all these grudges, it's too much. You understand? Well, I don't want to make this video too long. When I watch this thing where they fly around after TB Joshua died, they say this angel, and so they fly day and night. Me, I know they Lagos, so I don't know. I not see with my koro eye. Now I see, now see me, I still put them on and see. So see the angel when they fly around after TB Joshua don't die, that the angels see they fly around the synagogue church. You can see this building that is a synagogue church, and you can see this white thing where we say camera capture am, where we say they fly around. Many people don't still come out, come to say they don't see angel for the church, they see angel for everywhere. TB Joshua appear to them, this and the many people, even people when they go to church, people when they go to church, it don't appear to them. Even me when they talk to now, so I don't see TB Joshua for revelation. Yes, I see him, but I don't never see anything now. I will keep him. Maybe after the burial, I feel review my own comments, make una see him or make una hear him. But right now, I just want we dey unite as a Christian. No be say this one member will follow this one member they fight, that one member will follow that one member they fight. Una way they come, they attack people, they follow this one, they fight, they argue for comment section, they fight on themselves for comment section because of this one, because of your papa, because of your that one. No, now remember, say salvation is personal. Mama not dey, papa not dey, sister not dey, pikin not dey, husband not dey, wife not dey. Salvation is personal. How you take live your life on earth, that be the most important thing. When we say you go tell your creator on that very day. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to stop my video here. Please, if you watch this video, share this video. We are not just here to talk, but if you share this video, I believe you're going to save someone today, especially we Christians. We need to learn how to love one another. Save someone that salvation is personal. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did it for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see